a client who is on ECC, whether he would be moving ahead to S4HANA with conversion approach or greenfield approach, what he would prefer to do it. Okay. Now to answer this question would be, it would be every company when we start the discussion, or most of the company we start the discussion, they are interested in conversion. But 80% of the projects which we are delivering is greenfield. Okay. Slowly the percentage for conversion is increasing, but around you will see, I can easily say that 70 to 80% of the clients who are moving to S4HANA, they are moving ahead with the greenfield approach. Around 30% of the clients you will see, they are moving ahead with the conversion. Why a client start a discussion on the conversion and ended up landing onto the greenfield implementation? Why? Or whether a company need to are on ECC, whether they need to adopt to greenfield implementation, they need to adopt to S4HANA as a greenfield implementation, or they need to adopt to S4HANA as a conversion. On what basis the discussion need to happen? If you are part of that discussion as a functional consultant, or as a team lead, or as a solution architect, what are the things which you need to put on table to make that decision whether a greenfield approach need to be adopted, or whether a conversion approach need to be adopted? Please quickly put it on to the comments, and then I would be talking one by one for each of the points which need to be considered before taking a decision going to greenfield or conversion. But by that time, I want you to everyone put that into the comments, whether a greenfield approach or whether a conversion approach. What should be the points to discuss to make a decision that this should be the point, or this should be the key parameter we would be discussing with business before we move ahead and taking a decision that I am going ahead to S4HANA with greenfield or with the conversion. Okay, quickly answers on the comments. By the time you are answering on the comments, I would also give you